What can a school do to rebuild trust with parents? Parents always lose their trust in schools because of poor performance in different areas. Poor communication, academics, disorganization, poor meals, corporal punishments, just to mention but a few. In this video, I'm going to share with you practical strategies to you as a school to rebuild trust with the parents. As I told you earlier, when parents lose trust in a school, it is rarely because of one single reason. It is actually because of a pattern, poor communication, and sort of the issues of feeling ignored. But trust can be rebuilt slowly, intentionally, and respectfully. Here are 8 practical ways through which schools can do it. Number 1, acknowledge what went wrong without excuses. Parents don't need the perfect schools, they need the honest ones, saying, "We acknowledge that we didn't handle this well, and we are sorry," does more than you think. Note this: defensiveness deepens mistrust. On the other hand, humility begins the healing process. Number 2, communicate before parents complain. Most conflicts start from silence. If something goes wrong, a delay, an incident, a change, inform parents first. A parent would rather hear bad news early than discover it later. Note this: proactive communication builds confidence, and through this, you are rebuilding trust. Number 3, invite parents in. Don't lock them out. Trust is stronger when parents feel included through open days, parent forums, clear feedback channels, and transparent school processes. Note this: a school that hides nothing rarely loses trust. Number 4, show visible changes, not just promises. Words restore hope, but actions restore trust. If the issue was poor discipline, show new systems. If it was poor hygiene, show cleaner facilities. If it was poor communication, show better responsiveness. If it was teacher issues, show staff improvement or intervention. Parents must see change, not empty promises. Number 5, train staff on professional conduct. Sometimes trust breaks because of how staff treat parents or students. Schools should invest in communication training, conflict management, emotional intelligence, customer service mindset, and others of a kind. Note this: every staff member represents a school. Cooks, gatekeepers, cleaners, dormitory caregivers, school van drivers, mention them. They must be trained to exhibit the highest level of professionalism. Number 6, be fair and consistent. Parents watch closely after trust is shaken. If policies are applied selectively, trust collapses again. I won't talk a lot about this. Just know fairness is not negotiable. Number 7, show real care for children, not just results. Let me say this as a parent. Parents forgive many things when they see that teachers genuinely love their children. Yes, we close our eyes to other bad things about the school. When a child feels safe, seen, and valued, parents naturally trust the school more. Trust goes where compassion is visible. And lastly, but not the least, number 8, rebuild the relationship not just reputation. Don't only focus on saving the image or the face of the institution, but also focus on genuine partnership, respect, and collaboration. Don't only focus on saving the face of the institution, but also focus on genuine partnership, respect, and collaboration. Trust goes where relationships are nurtured. Broken trust is not the end of the relationship, it is a test of leadership. Schools that choose honesty, accountability, and consistency often come out stronger than before because trust is rebuilt by power. It is rebuilt by care, clarity, and character. My name is Tr Moses Kataza, 1997. I always stand for education for transformation. Subscribe, like, follow, and comment. Share to your loved ones. Let's share this education revolution. Thank you very much.